I just don't wanna drop this, Attorney Ona. We talked about the IRR of the Bangsamoro Electoral Code. Ang question ko lang is, meron bang drop dead deadline for that IRR? We know that there are in talks. There is a draft, they're talking, but we don't see the final form yet. But when is the drop dead deadline for this IRR?
Napasa kasi yung BARM Electoral Code March Na-publish siya April. So, siguro 3 months. Dapat ngayon lumabas na siya. May 90 days kasi na requirement for the IRR. Yun nga lang. Yun nga po, sir. Pero sir, baka yung usual yung ginagamit nila dyan. Pero wala pa yung sa, may mga provisions kasi na particular to the elections.
The districts also.
Wala pa redistricting law kasi wala yan man yan sa electoral code ng BARM So, urgent na yan Dapat this quarter lumabas.
Yeah, because we get asked what is the likely result of the elections, but if we don't know how the districts will be divided, how can we even begin to
It's
understand?
a very political issue sa BARM Para mauuna ang revenue code, mauuna ang governance code before the redistricting because it's a question of territory Para the parliament will talk with the political families on how to apportion the 32 districts in BARM. Walang magbibigay dyan Kaya nahuhuli ang redistricting law. But urgent ang redistricting law kasi kailangan rin ni COMELEC yan.
So BARM obviously is an important election.
Is kasi just like yung sa automated election, the stakeholders should be informed ahead para dun alam nila yung rules of the game sa voters education.
And it's a parliamentary
And sa
form
system
of
to be
government.
used kasi parliamentary elections, paano preparation ni COMELEC?
This have to be resolved at least within the year, no?
Within the year dapat.
Earlier.